Hey guys, so you all know how important the headsets have been nowadays, especially the wireless ones. Like we have seen the best of the best out there in the markets from some well-known brands, and among them there comes Raycon's 2024 earbuds. So today I will be talking about the budget-friendly active noise cancelling earbuds from Raycon, and I do have a discount code for you as well if you plan to buy these, so stay tuned. We're gonna see why these could be the perfect choice for you and should you go for them or not. So let's start with the unboxing first. So Raycon actually sent me these two boxes. The other one was the case for the earbuds, really cool one. I'll show you in a bit. The earbuds come in this little box, and upon sliding it out you can see we get a user manual in it which have some information about all the touch controls and how to use it and all that stuff, you know. Then here comes the charging dock in this plastic wrap. You can see nice matte finish we have here and LED indicator which obviously showcases the charging of the dock. Let's see what else we get in the box. I have to say the packaging is really classic. We have two more boxes in here. This one is having charging cable in it probably. It's a type C charging cable which is a cool thing. The second box and a Raycon sticker as well. Anyways, this box is having 4 pairs of extra ear tips in case if the default ones doesn't fit in your ears. You can try putting any of these and you'll certainly find perfect fit. So 4 pairs is actually a lot. I haven't seen more than 2 or 3 pairs of ear tips in any other brand's earbuds that I have actually reviewed on my channel. Before talking about the earbuds in detail, let me show you the case which I also received with the earbuds. It comes in separate packaging and packed really nice in here, you can see. So there comes multiple colors of case and earbuds, but I chose this case color. I really liked this one in my hands as well, and this gives a really classy look. Let's try putting them on, and that's it. So you see how easy it was to install, and your dock is now fully protected with a nice elegant ocean waves look. We do get this strap as well for the case, making it more easier to carry it along. So that's all for the unboxing, and now let's talk about the build quality and working of these active noise cancelling earbuds. So after using the earbuds for like a week, now I can provide you my thoughts on this. Talking about the build quality, I would say it's really great. The charging dock and earbuds have matte finish on them and feels really great in hand, and while wearing them in ears, we don't get any pain or discomfort from the physical quality of earbuds, but yeah, they would definitely damage the ears if you would be listening to music above the recommended decibels for human ears. And once you figure out the perfect ear tapes for yourself, they're gonna stick perfectly in your ears and will not fall. It's really easy to connect them to your device. Simply go to Bluetooth and they will pop up there and just tap on them and it will be connected. One thing that I really felt was missing in this is the controls from the application. I mean, there is no application for these earbuds where you can go and customize them, like all the audio controls, bass and all those equalizers in audio settings, you know. So we don't get any application of these earbuds, which is something really felt missing to me. The main highlight of these earbuds is actually the noise cancellation. Just like we have seen in Apple's AirPods, these Raycon earbuds also do have great noise cancellation, which I would rate 8 by 10. Let me tell you about the touch controls now, as there are touch buttons on these earbuds, and these are all the controls you can see on the screen. Different orders of taps would provide you these specific controls. These active noise cancelling earbuds comes with wireless charging support as well, and on a single quick charge of like 10 minutes you can get 1.5 hours of battery timing, which is amazing. And on a full charge you will be getting roughly around 32 hours of battery as per the company's spec sheet, but when I tested them myself, it was somewhere around 30 hours of music playback and gaming as well, which is still very great and close enough to company claimed time. The sound of these earbuds was really amazing. I didn't felt anything missing in the sound quality, and this was really crispy and with perfect bass, you know. So I would rate the sound quality of these Raycon active noise cancelling earbuds 9 out of 10. as this was really great. Now let me tell you about the gaming side of these earbuds. They do perform really well in gaming, but still you can't expect that much flawless and no delay from wireless earbuds. For gaming, you would definitely have to go for some wired headsets to get rid of that little bit lag and delay. One more highlight of these earbuds is that they are IP66 rated, which means they can be used in some snow or rain or some little rough weather conditions. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. And should you buy these or not? If you're looking for some budget friendly earbuds and don't want to spend some hefty amount and you need crispy sound quality with good bass and all that stuff, then I would definitely recommend you to go for these. And the plus point in these is that they also have the active noise cancellation with around 30 hours of playback time, which is insane in this price range. So I will add a link in the description and a little bonus for you as well, so you guys can use this coupon on Raycon's website while checking out and get 15% off on your purchase. So that's all guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.